I've made quite a few earbud videos now, and this is no exception. This is Eppfun, that's what it says, Eppfun. And at the time of making this video, it's around about £47, which is not cheap. But they do say you get what you pay for. So what we're going to do in this video, do the unboxing, hopefully, see how much you get for your money, test out the quality, and according to Amazon's website, it's got quite a good spec to it. So we have instructions, English, Dutch, is that Japanese, Chinese? I have no idea. I do apologise if you think I should know, I don't. A nice bit of cloth with a bit of emblem on there, Eppfun. See that? That's very nice. Different. Yeah, very nice. Put that back in there. Eppfun, and these should be hopefully spare earbuds plus, if I can get them out, plus it should have the charging cable. Now it does say up to 32 hours long playtime, 6 hours on a single charge, 60 minutes fully charged, 32 hours playtime, and 75 minutes fully charged. So let's have a quick look around. So we have an indicator of where they are on charging, USB Type-C connection on the back. So have a quick look at the connectivity. These are normally quite short. What else is in there? There it goes. So we have, let me get them out. So we have a short USB cable, probably about 500mm long. I will have a measure up for you because I know someone's going to ask, how long is it, Yorkie? Is that long? So get that out of the way. We have some spare earbud covers, and they're a bit different. I've not seen anything like that before. Yeah, it's different, isn't it? It's weird. Right, let's have a look at the earbuds that are already on here. Take them out. 1, 2. Nice little case. Right, so they just fit over the top. How does that work? No idea. Anyone got any ideas? Should read the instructions, shouldn't I? Well, I'm guessing that will go in there somehow. And like that, maybe. Pull it around. Yeah, something like that anyway. I will ever read the instructions just to make sure I'm doing it right or not. But it goes something like that. I don't know. Like I said, I'd have to read the instructions. A couple of other things I want to go through first. If you've got an iOS or Android or Windows phone or anything like that, providing you've got Bluetooth, they should work with no issues. It should be easy to connect. We will be testing them out on my Android phone for connectivity. And also, if you want to charge them up, make sure you release this or remove this little tab. I'm going to have a read of the instructions before I connect it because I want to know how to use these. Hopefully I've done it right in the first place, but I'm guessing that goes like that because there's a hole there and there's a thing there. So I'm guessing, let me just try it. So that would go like that. But I am guessing that goes like that, but I will read the instructions. And the reason you might want to use this is for making sure it's got a nice seal to your ears. Again, I'm guessing, but I'm pretty sure that's what that's for. So with that, I'm going to have a quick read the instructions, get back to you. Right, I've had a quick read the instructions. Doesn't actually tell you anything about this, but I'm guessing I've probably done it right because I can't see a point in that hole being on that side. Wouldn't make sense, would it? Hey, so that is probably how that goes. Right, I'm going to leave that off for now because I don't need it on anyway. And I'm going to put it back in now, but take these off, remove them, like so. That's one, that's two. If I can get it off my finger, I can't. Put that in there. Now then, they should, providing you put them around the right way, be charging up. Right, now we're going to see how easy it is to connect to the phone. Should be really easy. This is an Android phone, in case anyone wants to know. So get your Bluetooth up. Come on, Bluetooth. Bluetooth, Bluetooth. Pair new device. Looking for it. I think it says we want something like cute or something like that. So get them both out. Give it a few seconds. We don't want the LE. There it is, cute me 250s. Okay, that's the one we want. Click on that. According to the instructions, anyway. Allow. Power. 90% on the battery. That is it. Job done. I'm sticking them in my ears now. One. Two. And have a listen to some music. Let me find some. Yep, they work. Right. To adjust the volume, you hold it in, or touch on it and hold. So, adjust volume. Or pulse it. That's up. So that's up, holding it in. And that's down. So just by holding it, either the left one for down, right one for up, is simple enough. Go to the next track. I think it's double tap. Yep. And to go back, double tap. Pause it, doesn't matter whether you use the left or the right, it should be one tap. Yep. Play again. Doesn't matter whether you use the left or the right, doesn't really matter. So, I'm going to turn the volume up now. I'm going to have a cup of tea while I'm listening. Easy to use, and these are quite standard nowadays, the way they work. Most of them work the same way. There are the exception where they work slightly different, but overall, very easy to use because I know how they work. There's only two ways they really work. They either work like I've just shown you, or the other way is they go up in segments on the volume and that. But basically, they all work very similar to each other. I found them a little bit loose for my ears, and I'm wondering if I need to use these little babies. So I'm going to try it with these. Give me a second. Right, hang on, let me stop it. Right, these, I don't know what they do, but I couldn't get on with them. I couldn't get it holding my ears. I'm not sure what they're for, but they're supposed to, I'm pretty sure they're supposed to make it a better seal. But for whatever reason, they didn't fit very well in my ears. They feel better now without them. They fit in there. They're quite light, so they don't feel as though they're in my ears, but they are. Now let's do the wiggle test. That's what I'm going to call it anyway. It's a wiggle test. That didn't fall out, so that's good. I'm going to turn up volume now. Love the bass. Nice and crisp. Very good. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a look, practice with them over a few days, see how I get on with them, and then I'm going to give you my final opinion. So with that, I'll get back to you. Right, I've been trying these out for a few days now, and yeah, they work very well. I do like the stereo on them. And some of the programs I've been watching, they seem to go from left to right on the chat, especially some of the news ones, which I thought was a bit weird. But I've had to listen to it without the headphones, and it was the same. So it's definitely not the headphones, or as far as I could tell anyway. Yeah, they work extremely well. Very pleased with them. I have no issues with them whatsoever. Don't know how long they last for, because I've only been trying them for about 3 or 4 days, and they seem to last forever. I just stick them back into the charger, and yeah, away you go again. Get them out the next day, put them on, go for a walk or something like that. Yeah, no issues with it whatsoever. Love listening to music. Well, actually, I was watching a YouTube video. It's car crashes, but it's funny ones, not seriously hurt ones. So definitely gets my thumbs up. They're not cheap, they're not that expensive neither, and it is good quality sound. They're a bit light in my ears. When I say a bit light, they're not very heavy. They don't feel as though they're in properly, but they don't seem to want to fall out. So that was all right. So it depends what sort of style you like. I personally prefer the over-ear ones, or there's another ones, the little ones that actually go right into your ears. I like them ones as well. These are okay, but you might prefer these ones. You might prefer some of the others I've done. Yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up for the quality of audio, which is what it's all about, isn't it? And how easy it is to use as well. Definitely gets my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about them, whether you like this sort of style, with the hang down, or whether you like the inner ones, the little tiny bub ones, or the sporty kind that go over your ears. Let me know if you like them sort, or what ones you actually like. So with that, if you like this video, give me this thumbs up. If you didn't, give me this thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. I'm going to get back to my video now. Just thought I'd share that little bit with you.